What's up guys, Josh Luck here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to track down trends so that you as an Etsy seller can take advantage of those very important traffic spikes. And in this video, I'm not just going to give you a list of trends and tell you what to follow. I'm going to show you resources so you can do your own research. Don't worry, it's not like a crazy amount of research, but you can do your own research so you can find something perfect for your specific niche and perfect for your certain situation. So let's jump in here at Etsy and we can get started. Alright, so we're here in Etsy, and before I begin, I want to say something very important about trends. It's important not to just jump onto a trend because it's popular. You want to make sure you stay true to your store and find something you'd be interested in. So luckily, there's always hundreds of trends that are going on simultaneously in every single niche. So it's important to find a trend that is relevant to you. And through the research we conduct in this video, you're able to do that. So if you're looking for a trend in your niche and you're kind of stuck not knowing where to go, it's helpful to break it down into 5 categories: color, patterns, materials, themes, and animals. So if you don't know where to look, looking at each of those things individually and seeing what's relevant to you is a great place to start. And it helps if you're doing like a Google search. You can search color trending for clothing 2021 or trending animals pottery 2021. So doing Google research, you can use those keywords and key topics to find and break down a basis for where you should start. Okay, so the first resource I'm going to show you is actually through the official Etsy platform, so you can feel confident that all the data going into it is pretty accurate for people in what they're searching for on Etsy. And in order to find this, all you have to do is go to etsy.com/trends, and you can see what is trending currently when you are researching it. So just scrolling through here, keeping in mind the colors, patterns, the things we talked about before, I'm noticing a lot of earthy tones, a lot of abstract patterns. If you scroll down here, more earthy tones, maybe some squares I'm seeing a few times. A little further, more earthy tones. So I'm getting a feel for kind of what's popular across the whole. So take notes of what you're observing, and it's good to consider how you can incorporate these into your products. And then one really cool thing Etsy does at the bottom of this page is they actually show you the color of the year. So I'm filming this in 2021. The color of the year is sky blue. So it's obviously trending. It's very popular among people buying on Etsy. And now after you've scrolled through this page and kind of taken some notes about Etsy as a whole, we're actually going to go down here and go to more emerging trends. And we can actually dive deeper into your specific niche. When you click on that link, it actually takes you to Etsy's blog, and that's blog.etsy.com, and you can pull up trending topics for specific categories. And then if you want, you can actually search by category up here, but this is the Etsy trend guide specifically for trends, not just the rest of the blog. So scrolling through here, as you can see, kids, you can find 5 creative kid trends. We got wedding trends, we got jewelry trends, calming decor. So this is a great resource that you can scroll through here and see what's applicable to you. Obviously, these aren't all going to apply to you, but try scrolling through here and seeing if you can get lucky and finding some related to what you are selling. So those are both great resources for finding things that are trending directly on Etsy. But if we want to look at the industry as a whole, we can actually go over to another website called creativemarket.com. And as a graphic designer, I use this website all the time. It's great for staying on top of what's popular now and getting some inspiration for cool designs. But you can actually go and find trending topics for the industry. So if you go to creativemarket.com, I'll have a pop-up here how to get there. They used to have it up here in the header, but they actually moved it. So we're going to go down to the footer, and under resources, click on their blog. And then it will take you to this page. And if you notice, once you're at this page, it's got a secondary menu. We're actually going to go to trends. And we can see what is trending in the design space and the industry as a whole. And the final tip, I saved it for last because it's the most obvious and probably the most boring, but it's just doing a quick Google search for finding what's trending. And this is arguably probably your best resource for finding what's going on, because you can just go up to the search bar and search like trending colors 2021. Oh, my bad. Search it, and you can immediately find, and like we figured out when looking at Etsy trends, a lot of earthy tones, very popular, these dark, dull colors. But we can find all that just with a Google search. Let's do trending fonts 2021, and we can see a lot of bubbly, fun, maybe some groovy fonts with bright colors. But your best friend when finding trends is obviously Google. And Google actually has a tool called Google Trends where you can go and see actually what people are trending, or what's trending and what people are searching for on your topic. So let's say you sell pottery, pottery for sale. You can search it and find how much interest people on Google have for your topic. So there were 66 people that searched for it, 73. So it looks like pretty steady, so you don't have to worry about an influx of seasonal pottery. So you can also see where people are searching for your certain product. Mississippi, Maine are very interested. So if you run ads, maybe targeting people in Maine if you have pottery. And then down here you can see related topics. So Google Trends is a great way to actually target your audience and figure out what people are interested in. So yeah, that was quite a few resources. Using all those and combining them together and taking notes along the way, you should be pretty successful in finding stuff that is up to date and relevant to your niche. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. But I appreciate you for watching. I'm getting a bit tongue-tied. I filmed this video like 6 times. But if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'm a new channel. I post twice a week. And thanks for watching. I will see y'all in the next video.